Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the chart is doing perfectly fine, but I'm trying to emphasize overall here because I do realize that depending on your perspective is going to dictate how you feel about this chart. Meaning, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and your game plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then yeah, from that angle, things are not looking so good because very clearly the price did pull back from those highs. However, assuming that wasn't your game plan going in and that you care about things from just the overall big picture point of view, then really the chart did nothing wrong. Now, of course, it'd be great if a price could go up every single day, but that's just not reality. So from an overall, again, trend building perspective, all that happened was the price pulled back, and on the pullback, did a great job of holding up above that green line there at $25, which I've talked about before as an area of support. And by doing so, look what it's now accomplished. Well, let's compare these previous lows. There is some lows, there are some lows and lows down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, again, from the overall big picture, still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, assuming you do care about the big picture point of view, then that is exactly what you want to see. You just want to see progress being made, and progress is still being made today. Heck, I mean, even, the price did put in a higher high. Now, obviously, it didn't maintain those gains, but it did put in a higher high. But most importantly, the price was able to chip away and build that higher base, and that is definitely by far what matters most. So overall, yeah, maybe the chart was a little annoying today, depending on your perspective. But from a health perspective, boring, sure. Healthy, absolutely. And as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher bases, that's what matters most. And then as far as areas of resistance, nothing fancy or complicated here. Literally just a question of, okay, well, where did the party officially stop today? And that was right up there at $27.90. You're going to want to keep a close eye on that. But overall, the uptrend continues. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.